All right, this is how we are going to start our setup for, or the first thing you need to know about BBMA. It means you're trading Bollinger Band with moving averages, Bollinger Band and moving averages, and this is how you do the Bollinger Band and moving averages. This is what you set up. You come to your here, click on main window, click on Bollinger Band. This is the settings. Look at it. Period to 20, shift to 0, deviations to 2, apply to close, all time frame. I'm using black because my background is white, so you use black, or depending on whatever you want to use. If your background is white, you can use any color that you wish, but if it is black, you can use white. Okay, so you use whatever suits you. I'm using black because my background is white. Then you click on, I can see the Bollinger Band is up. Now, the second thing you need to do is go to the second again, click on the main window, click on moving average. The first one you go for is 5 light weighted, open, light weighted, open. I'm using, sorry, not open, high. I'll start with high, then I'll choose my color. For high, I'll use red color because 5 and 10 is for cells, so I'll use red color. So this is the setup, 5 and 10 for the setup. Then I'll click done. Out there, go again, click main window, moving average. I'll change to 10. Light weighted high. I'll stick to the same color, which is the red color, so I'll stick to the same color. Then click done. Then go to the next one, click on main window, moving average. I'll change again to 5. Light weighted, then blue. I'll click blue, and I'll change my color to green because it's for buy. I'll choose green color for buy. Then I'll click done. Okay. Then I'll go again for window. Then I'll go 10 blue. I'll maintain the same color. Click done. And then the last one. And then I'll go ET. Then change to exponential. Then this is blue. Change to blue. Then I'll change my color to blue. I want to tip up. So it's already tipped. 100%. Okay. Setup. BBMA. So this is how it looks. Phone, different time frame, and all that. So that's that for this.